What's up everybody, it's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 1997 Harley Davidson Electra Glide. It's got that 80 cubic inch Evo, and we're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. There you have your rear tire. Rear tire's in good shape. Going to call it maybe like 40%. Here you can see your exhaust here and here. So that is that. You get your two turn signals here and your tail light. Of course, you have your license plate mount here. Everything's pretty straightforward on this bike. It is a 1997, so it is got a few years under its belt, but it is a pretty decent machine. I mean, as far as the Evo motor has a good reputation, and it definitely holds true to that. This bike has like, I think, a shade under 21,000 miles. So, and it is in very nice shape aesthetically. I mean, like I said, it is over a 20-year-old machine, so it has some little things here and there, but it's in pretty decent shape. So here on the side of the bags, you can see all that. Got some little light scuffs there, which I'd be willing to bet you is probably a boot of a passenger getting on and off, just catching it, because it's not real bad. There's your passenger floorboard. There's your side panel cover. Of course, you have your chrome there on the bottom of that floorboard. You have your rider floorboard. Got your rear brake here. Got the cover there, the 80 cubic inch. There, the Electra Glide, the HD down there. Get in on all this stuff so you can see it up close. So there's all of that. Side of the tank here is in pretty decent shape. I'll show you all that. There's one mark right here above the badge that I wanted to point out. I mean, other than that, it's in pretty decent shape. Got your Harley badge there. Kind of like the old look. This bike does have the highway pegs there, so that's that. There's your lower fairing for your feet. Of course, you have your upper fairing here at the bat wing. Have your auxiliary lights here and here, and your headlight, and your turn signals as well. Got your front fender. See, that's in good shape. There is a mark here on the fender that I wanted to point out right there. It's a little bit tough to see. There you can see it a little bit better, get the shadow on it. That is a chip. Other than that, it's not bad. Got your lower fork tubes here. They do have some pitting on them, but again, it's in fairly decent shape. It's not like it's rusting through or anything crazy like that, but that pitting is there. There's your front brake on this side. I'll show you this fork tube over here. Again, the pitting's not as bad on this side. There's your front brake there. Got your front tire. Front tire's in decent shape. Might be a little less than the back tire, maybe like 30%, but definitely like safe to ride on. It would be close for inspection, but I think it would pass. There is your tank on this side. Got some marks in here. I want to point out, looks like maybe got a stone hopped up there and gave it a little chip. Other than that, not too bad. There's all that stuff. This is a 1997. This bike is carbureted, so you have your choke here, got your fuel shutoff valve. That is that. Again, try to get it up close on this motor so you can see all that stuff. Of course, you have your floorboard, toe shifter, heel shifter, kickstand down here. Got your passenger floorboard, got your side cover. All that stuff. There is that. On this side of the bag, again, you have these light marks here. Again, I think it might be just like a little boot hopping on and off with the passenger. Got one little white chip right there I wanted to point out. Side of the bag, it's got a little bit of stuff going on here on that hinge there. Jump up here, you can see the seat. Seat's actually in really, really nice shape for the year. I mean, it's like almost unbelievably nice. So you got your nice big comfy passenger seat, got the backrest, and you got your rider seat here. This is all one piece, so it all comes off at once. I don't have any tears or anything in the seat. All the seams are looking good, which is really nice. Trying to show all those edges. So there's all that. Here's probably the biggest flaw with this machine. It's missing this trim piece right here. Obviously it doesn't affect anything mechanically, but that is not there. So of course you have your fuel cap. This bike does have the high bars on it, you can see there. Got the apes going on. Of course, you have your clutch over here and all these controls. Throttle here, brake, and these controls. There you go, 20,998 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this motorcycle, check out the test drive on YouTube. It's a good way to see it out on the road. Got a little bit of tunes going on there. Let me turn those down. It's fired up. Some choke. That is that. Got that 80 cubic inch ready to rock and roll. Let's make sure these turn signals work. There's your turn signal on this side. Ooh. There's your turn signal on this side. Jump to the back. There's your rear signal there. And your rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 1997 Harley Davidson Electra Glide. It is the Evo motor, 80 cubic inch. If you're interested in this machine, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube and check out this bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys.